Hey yo, what up people, this is your boy Jason J Kicks, and today I'm gonna show you how do I lace my Jordan 6. I'm gonna use this beautiful UNC to show you how I do it. These are the laces, white laces, and make sure to be subscribed. Also have the lace like here, but make sure to be subscribed, guys, and hit the thumbs up and do all those great things for your boy, guys. So pay attention and let's begin with this. This is the hardest part because right here where we'll have the Jumpman, we gotta disconnect it right here so we can put the laces through it. And like this look a little hard. It's not as hard as it looks, but yeah, this is the hardest part when we are lacing a pair of Jordan 6. But it's totally okay. Right here, you're gonna put the laces from outside in like this. Pay attention to it. Just like this, okay. And now we're gonna do the same process with the other side of the laces. Remember, outside in, like this. Take a look at it. Once again, outside in, and here we go. And now we're gonna connect it again. Hold on. All right. Now I got it. So now we're gonna put it from inside to the outside, just like this. And with the other one, we're gonna do the same, just like that. And here we have the lace lock, and we're gonna put it right here. That's the way I like to do it, but you can use your creativity and find the best way to do it for you. This is the way I like to do it. So let me know what you think about this, guys. I like it. I like the way it looks like this. Go like with my personality. But remember, this is only my own way. It's not the right way or the wrong way. It's just my way. Guys, thank you for watching the video. Remember, always hit the thumbs up if you like the content. Subscribe and activate the notification bell, guys. Thank you for watching and goodbye.